I pray God for all your goodness. Today we are going to see a scenery painting. Because of this painting, I am using moist flat brush size 22 and picking some deep magenta and apply on the top of the canvas board. And next, medium magenta for the next layer. Next, I am adding little by little titanium white also. Blend well together. Here in this canvas board, I am taking more part to the sky because here I am going to make a clouds effect. So I am leaving less part to the river effect. Already I uploaded the video for beginners how to various kinds of blendings with using multicolors, tips and tricks with techniques. Check the video. And day by day I will upload the Skillshare video for beginners in paintings. These kind of videos will help the beginners large and improve your skills in paintings. And you can check the color mixing. Keep watching, keep following, and importantly keep practicing. How to create lot of colors from primary colors, what is the primary colors, secondary colors and complementary colors. The video is available for beginners. How to handle the brushes and what are the brushes are there. Please you can check out the playlist in beginner's guide. Next step, houses on the top of the hill. I am picking burnt umber and sap green to the base of the hills effect. After finishing that, next picking a little bit of titanium white and just you do like this as I am doing. Here I am using flat brush size 4 and picking scarlet lake and titanium white for creating house. I am using various sizes of flat brush entire the painting except clouds and trees. I am using small size mauve brush for clouds effect and filbert brush size 10 for the tree effect. I am using the same flat brush as I am using for the house. Here I am picking some brown and titanium white to the path. The beautiful painting is ready. Subscribe my channel for amazing upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.